Hello guys, this video will show you a very simple trick that could save your mesh from the dreaded problem of distortion. Let's say you got a mesh like this, and you've got this, and you're going to go ahead and add some details here. So just something simple like this. Alright, let's say go ahead and preset this. And you go ahead and apply some creases, then you go ahead and open subdiv. You increase iterations, and you run into the dreaded problem of distortion. Really bad distortion happening right here. If you're trying to do a close-up render, it's going to be very noticeable. What do? Well, here I'm going to show you guys a solution. A little makeshift solution, maybe not perfect. Now, you know what the perfect solution is, guys. You know that the perfect thing to do here would be to kind of go back and, increase the resolution to 3, 4, and then there's no problem when you extrude. But you know what the issue is? It's going to increase the complexity of the object. It's going to, if this is a very small object, it's going to turn into much more dense object, much slower to render and slower to work with. And so you don't want to do that. You want to keep it simple, but you want to somehow solve this issue, right? Although this right here, guys, would be the more perfect solution. So what do? Well, the solution, guys, is to go in here and just kind of select some edges here and insert a loop through here. And you kind of move it, finagle it here. Alright. And so you're going to notice right away it made a pretty nice difference. Look at that serious distortion happening right here versus how it looks afterwards. As you notice, it makes a very nice difference. Even better would be to also insert a loop through here. Just gonna move it out a bit. Look at that, guys. Just with those small little changes, we've greatly decreased distortion. Even the second change that we made, guys, has helped out. Notice a little bit of this. So this is the first change, guys. Big difference right here. And the second made a little difference right there as well. If you're concerned about triangles, you can just kind of reroute it like so. But just like that, guys, this small trick can help you out without having to increase the resolution and density around your whole model. Just something as simple as that, guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and take care.